What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm out here trying to work on the Del Sol, trying to get as much as I can get done. I want to get the headlights on. I got the bumper right here. Hopefully you can see that. I don't want to spend it too much time. I just want to get stuff knocked out. So I just wanted to say what's up, everybody. Thank you for watching the video. Let's just jump right into the good shit. Alright guys, so here we're at. We got the headlights on. I got the wires kind of tucked in there. I'm going to flip the lights on. Actually, I should maybe do that right now to make sure I'm rocking these aux beams. Technically, I should have lights, yeah? Oh, no, don't have a battery. Don't have a battery. Hold on. So I'm using these aux beam lights, and if you guys have ever used these before, they have their own little, like, what's it called, fan on it, I guess, to keep the ballast cool. But man, when they turn on, they sound like a little jet engine. You'll maybe hear it, but hopefully I get lights. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cool. So got headlights. I'm missing the corner bulbs. That's actually going to be a pain in the ass. Gonna have to pull these off. Might have to pull the whole bumper off at some point, but I wish I had these bulbs. I don't know. I'll look in a box if I don't, but these are super bright. Definitely need to buff these out. But all right, let me all right, so headlights are on. Now I gotta throw this bumperino right here. I've had this bumper for really long time. This might actually be a come up off Jose, off Team SoCal, not Jose B, but Jose. Shout out to Jose, man. You're running that fit life right now, but you know, you get a Soul one day. If you really want one, you can get one. But yeah, so throw this on. This is a really early one. I've had this like, I don't know, like 8 years now. Fiberglass, like sturdy as hell. I got to repaint this because now I have the color code to the car, so I need to repaint this because when I first got it, I painted it like fire engine red or something like that, so it definitely doesn't match. This is no longer Milano red. Well, the engine bay isn't either, but yeah, I could show you. But the car is no longer Milano red. It's a little darker red. I want to make that to match this. One day I'd like to paint the whole car over again, maybe without the purple. You can really see the purple in there, huh? But anyways, let's get this on. All right, couldn't find the side lights. Those are going to be annoying. Probably have to take the whole fucking bumper off at some point. But I don't want to stop this because that's dumb. You don't really need those lights. I mean, you kind of do, but whatever, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I got these little bolts right here. I have a brand new set somewhere I got to find. I think they're in the cab. Brad from the Old Souls basically sent those out to me. Those go right here. Those are going to hold these guys right there to the top, and then I've got, you know, good old zip ties to go from here to right about there. All right, guys, so bumper is on. What do you guys think? Huh? Check it out. It always looks like it's lipping, like its chin's out, but also look at this, dude. Damn. I nailed some shit a long time ago. Probably gonna have to re-net that too. I used to have a whole intercooler right there and will very soon, so now that's kind of cool that you could see that. Anyways, that's what we're looking like right now. But what's always really annoyed me about this bumper, and it's maybe because my front end's a little chueco, you know what I'm saying? Like, I always got these fucking gaps, bro. But I think also these lights, I broke off the 2 little tabs right here that go into the fenders, so they don't really sit right, but I pulled them out as far as I can. And then this side's actually fitting really nice, except, yeah, see that giant hole right there? That snapped a long time ago. So I'm gonna put another one, I'm gonna put 2 right here, and they'll actually match under here, so that'll actually really line up and look really good on that side. This side just it's always looked, I'm just not happy with it. And you can totally tell 2 different colors, right? So this will be an easy fix. I can take it out, kind of clean it. What is that? Is it just the floor? Oh, it's just the floor. Anyways, all right, cool, yeah. Front end, basically get together, drill 2 little holes, zip tie it up, make the front end look somewhat decent, and then depending on the time, I might get onto the interior of this. All right, guys, here we go. It's always this side. I tell you right now, it's always this side. I got two zip ties on this side right here, holding it together. It makes it look real nice. But on this side right here, this right here, this is the chinguedon right here. Let me tell you, man, it never looks good. Oh, I swear to God, you're never gonna find a car like this in your life. Ever gonna find a car like this? How many people you know got matching water spots right here on the hood, all the way on the windshield? You're not gonna find that on the streets. I'll tell you that right now. Look at this, man. Look at this. Why don't you clean your shit up every now and then? Fast forward hella time, and here we go. Interior all back together. I gotta fix the seat. It's a little wobbly, but it's bolted on the bottom, but I think the actual back is just loose. But that's the whole interior. Center console is in. If you guys want to know how to put a Delso interior back together, I'll put the little card over here, or fucking over here, or something like that, or here, or over here, or something like that. And that's me initially putting all the interior in a long time ago. So yeah, got the personal wheel in, seats are in, whole center console's in. I got the pin back, so there's less movement here, but it's still kind of not too bad. But I don't know, I need the clip, but this works. This works. Center console, I got my cubbies back here, and then yeah, I got all that stuff doing up nice. I'd really like to get this wrapped for now, but I'm also looking to get one of those Old Souls sun tops. I really want to wrap this, to be honest with you, but I might wait for the Old Soul sun tops to get released. Maybe I can get a couple of those. If I can get one. If I can find an OG blue and then a tan one, that would be sick too. But this all works together. It doesn't lock because the back is screwed, but I got 1 bolt in there to hold it. Now I got that to open. But dope. Everything back together. Hell yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this video, but I wanted to give a huge shout out while this is kind of all done. The car is all back together, as you guys can see, but I wanted to give you, oh my God, almost just landed right on my bumper. Just keep it together, Christian. But I wanted to give a huge shout out to Ego Killer out there on Instagram. I'll put all his information down below. He actually hit me up and said, yo, dude, what's up with that valve cover? Let me paint it. And I was just like, let's go, dude. I told him exactly what I wanted, and he nailed it out of the park. So I got right here 2 covers that I wanted him to paint. And man, I am literally not disappointed at all. Check it out. Anyways, guys, here they are. This is a B20 valve cover, which obviously I have a B20 right now, so I'm going to be rocking this one very soon. I'm really into, like, you know, old school 80s, 90s Vision skateboards, BMX, so the splatter, you know, B-boy, fucking old, just this kind of style I was just always super into growing up. I'm still super into this too. So this dude literally knocked it out of the park. Hell yeah, dude. I don't have enough words to tell you how excited I am. I told you in person, thank you so much for doing this right here. It's super smooth, extremely shiny. I don't know how he pulled this off. Like, these aren't bumps or anything. It's just It's legit. And then this right here, I've got a valve cover that I've had for a very, very long time. This was actually the first valve cover I ever bought for this car when I had the B17, so I definitely wanted to do it right. We stripped it all down from being red, as you can see at the beginning of this, and I was just like, do what you think is right. He could have done this exact thing on this cover, and I would have been completely fine, but I do respect and really like the fact that he's like, no, I want to keep it simple, going to keep it really straightforward just to keep this valve cover really looking nice, and he knocked it out of the park. Killed it, dude. I'm so excited. This, dude, I keep repeating it, dude. I'm so sorry, but like, this looks so good. I can't wait to get it on the car. We're gonna have to get a VTEC head on this car ASAP to start rocking this, but I don't want to not rock this, so I don't know. Either one I would put on a wall. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like when it's actually on the engine bay. I have a carbon fiber cowl. I need to throw that on right there, so that'll clean that up. The closer and closer I get, the more I see things I don't want anymore, but you know, we're getting there. We're making progress. But like I said, guys, if you want a valve cover that looks like this, hit him up. I'll put everything you need to know right here in the description below. Hit him up. Ego Killer Garage. Just be like, yo, what up? I think he'll literally paint anything. He paints cars and stuff too, but he's been knocking out valve covers lately, and I'm really excited because, man, if you want something done, hit him up on Instagram. Tell him what you're looking for. He'll probably help you out. You never know, man. Give him a cool design. He'll go to town on it. Hit him up. But yeah, guys. Dang, on my phone right now. I haven't done this in a while, but look at this. This is a crazy angle. Anyways, super stoked. Next couple videos, I'll be driving this car. I've kind of driven it around the block a little bit. It's really fun. I definitely need an alignment. 55 is even a little sketch, dude. It's like I'm on ice skates and it's fucking sunny out. That's about it for this video, guys. I got a bunch of stuff coming up right now. If you got this far, what's up? Like, subscribe. I wanted to give a quick shout out to all the hardcore followers. If you've gotten this far and you're like, Christian, I haven't seen a recap in a while, this is why. Heart to heart, tell you not to talk too much, but like, I got really sad about talking about everybody's builds, and I made no effort on mine. So I've kind of decided I might hit the recap hard. I'll make another video on it, but I want to hit the recap hard in January starting 2020. But right now, I got to finish 2019 off strong with myself, so I needed to take a little personal time. Should have probably said something, but that's not, you know, I gotta do work. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll explain a lot more. Love everybody. We're almost at 8,000 subscribers, which my mind is literally blown. It's just me and a Del Sol, man. It's pretty crazy. But I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.